Alright, beige. What we got?
We got the bathroom, and then we got this cool shower thing with red lights. With a shower head on the top.
Yeah, hold it.
And then got a shower head right there. And then you can see into the other room. Then there's us.
Love you.
Love you. And then if you would follow me this way, you have the bed. And if you jump on it, you can see yourself up here.
I can see you.
If you look up there, you can see us. And then also over here, there's mirrors. Then,
I don't know, you can see. It's me on the bed. All these mirrors.
then we have this beautiful thing over here. Don't mind our mess.
Jacuzzi.
Do you get the pillars? You need to back up and get the pillars.
Right here. It's a sauna. TV. A bunch of our mess. That's babe. Yeah. That's pretty much it for this room. But this is our second day. We're about to head out to Red Lobster.
Get some food because we're hungry as hell.
I am starving. Like, my stomach is eating me alive right now. Ugh. And I need to drink. Babe, you watching the game? Enjoying this jacuzzi. Clippers game was on. Sipping rum and Red Bull.
Who you think you're talking to right now? Alright, we're playing Wipeout right now. She has to make it all the way to the other side through the rainforest. Okay, are you ready, Ebony McDaniels?
Ready.
Alright, contestant number 1, Ebony McDaniels, 24 years old, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Ready, go! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh! You did. Babe, what? That was a horrible strategy. That was the worst strategy I've ever seen. That was the worst strategy I've ever seen. Here, let me show you how we do things. This is what you do. You ride it on. Then we get rained on. Then we get onto this thing. Y'all, this is how champs do it. yourself.
I beat you.
No, you didn't.
Oh,
I got onto 2
You got
floaties.
on what?
You got onto nothing.
I did.
I just realized they had music in here. Ouch, I slipped my foot. I missed. Babe, try to sit on the ball. Let's try to sit on the ball.